Hey stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. My name is Karl Domm and I am the first of only a handful of instructors on YouTube who shares the real deal. I'm the only one on YouTube that has shared my Real P&L with the daily balances since May of 2019, and no one has done it longer. And I'll be taking you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual P&L or net liquidation. For over 29 years, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my experience with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course on YouTube, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. My goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. And I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their account P&L. And so far, I believe I've influenced a few others to start sharing their P&L. Not only that, but share the volatility of their account's P&L. It's important to understand how much the account value fluctuates, which means how much did the account move up or down. If your account made 20%, but it was down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in risk-adjusted returns. And that's why I share my P&L and my daily moves of my accounts so you can see the real results for yourself. Now, I wouldn't buy a course from someone who doesn't share their P&L, and I hope you feel the same. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, I'm taking you through my real P&L for the month of May 2023. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? Because I'm about to take you on a journey through my P&L for the month of May 2023. And I've got 4 separate trading accounts and 4 separate systems running in each account, and I'm eager to share the results with you. But before we dive into the numbers, let's take a quick look at what the market did in May of 2023. And this will give us a better understanding of what the challenges were for my systems over the last month. Now, as a premium options trader, I categorize market moves into 4 types, or 4 market types. Number 1, the rising bull. Number 2, the sideways market. Number 3, the grind down. And number 4, the crash market. So let's get into what happened last month with the market. Okay, let's look at the market for May 2023. We're talking about the SPX, which is the S&P 500. We'll come in here at the end of the month of April. You can see that the close is around 41.69, and then the close at the end of May is about 41.79. So this thing's up maybe 0.2%, insignificantly up. So we went down for a little bit, up, back down. This is a sideways market. That's what this market is. Let's take a look at what the VIX did during this time period. So we started right in here somewhere. As you can see, the VIX got as high as 21 and as low as 16, but not a lot of volatility. If you're going to compare that to some other recent volatility, you can see here's the volatility here, and you're comparing it. I mean, here's some decent vol, got up into 30. So you can see there was relatively a tame market here. This month, the S&P 500 saw an increase of about 0.2%, but a look back all the way to May 1st of last year shows a sideways market, which the S&P being up around 1% since last year, that's sideways for over a year now. And in May, the market experienced a sideways run with the S&P 500 flat over the monthly period. And the market was also very tamed when it came to volatility. Not really much happened in May of 2023. My take is the debt ceiling talks between Republicans and Democrats are at center stage. And traders and investors are waiting to see if the issue will get resolved. And that's causing stagnation in the market. And that's what's been going on over the last month. So, sideways market for the month of May 2023. The truth is, the market's direction is unpredictable. It can go up, it can go down, sideways. That's why it's always good to have a non-directional system in your portfolio so you can be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and profitability is proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter the market environment. And they are the only ones of their kinds. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels 1 through 4 and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering lower level trading systems. But don't just take my word for it. I've taken over 30 online stock and options courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offered a level 5 trading system. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1 through 4 system is consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. Join me on this journey and witness the power of level 5 trading for yourself. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown. And I'm not talking about spreadsheets. So, are you ready to see my P&L for May of 2023? Let's dive in here. Next, I'm going to get into my 4 separate trading accounts. The trading systems are, well, number 1, the Safe Wheel. Number 2, Earnings Edge Alerts. Number 3, Premier Level 5. And number 4, the Synthetic Dragon. So first, the Safe Wheel. This is a strategy I give away for free. Every Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. Pacific time, I do a live stream and I trade the account live. I also answer any and all questions about the system in order to help people learn it. The easiest way to find the live stream is to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And here are the results for the Safe Wheel for May of 2023. Okay, looking at the Safe Wheel for May of 2023. Now we started the month, or ended last month, with 58.69, and then ended this month with 62.58. So let's do a little bit of math. And by the way, before I do any math, you can see there was basically no drawdowns. I mean, what is this? $50 or something? So very smooth equity curve, not a lot of drawdowns at all. Kind of coincides with the market, right? 62.58 minus 58.69. So a profit of $389 in P&L there. Let's see what the percentage is. Divide that by 58.69. 6.6. So the Safe Wheel had a really good month, up 6.6% for the Safe Wheel, and hardly any drawdowns. Second, I trade my Earnings Edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. And this system does have some volatility, so I would start small with maybe $5,000. What I like about this trade is that it's long gamma, which creates asymmetry. And asymmetry is kind of like hoping for a large move in the stock, either up or down. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trade becomes. Now, I started this account with $5,000, and I look to make 1 trade a week when earnings trades are available. And my goal is to make large profits with smaller risk. And since my last upgrade in October 2022, the results are a record of 10 wins, 10 losses, and 3 break-evens. So that's a win rate of 50%. My average loss is $449, and my average win is $1,007. So since inception, which is January 2022, my returns on this system are approximately 70%. I recently lowered the price of the alert service to $149 a month, and I may increase the price in the near future. I'm also preparing a special launch of the new Earnings Edge course, and the course will give you the ability to trade the system on your own. So let's dive into the Real P&L for May 2023 for the Earnings Edge. We started here, let's see, at the end of the month with about 86.70, and we ended with 86.95. Also, looking at the volatility of the account, not a lot of volatility. Did put on a few positions, but we didn't see that the drawdowns that we'd seen in other months. And yeah, pretty smooth month. Yeah, because I made money on the first couple trades and then I lost the money on the last trade. So 86.95 minus 86.70. $25, basically broke even. Let's see that divided by 86.70, 0%, basically broke even for the month of May, and not a lot of volatility in the account, which is pretty rare. Usually there's some good volatility in the account. So there you go, break even month for the earnings edge for the month of May of 2023. Now this month I traded Win, Baba, and Costco, COST. So Win was a $592 win, Baba was a $495 win, and Costco was a $1,127 loss. So in the month, I ended up $40 minus commissions. Now, next, I want to make you aware of my top training program, the 5-step system. This is the ultimate way to learn how to trade the level 5 system. Understanding this tool will help you make consistent profits in any market environment in the future with other systems. And I've made a huge effort to make this program accessible and affordable for everyone. So I've significantly lowered the price to just $297. Don't miss this opportunity to take your trading skills to the next level. And this is a game changer, and I don't know how long I'll keep this price so low. Check out the link in the description to start learning today. Now, the third account, I trade my Premier Level 5 system. After designing various systems for over 28 years, I finally developed this one in 2022 as a culmination of my efforts. Here is the Premier Level 5 results for May of 2023. Okay, looking at the Premier Level 5, this is where I trade options on futures, and this is never accurate. These numbers are not accurate. This didn't happen. My account was not at this number. It wasn't down here. It wasn't down to 32,000. I mean, even if you look at today's balance, it says 32,856 here. We'll look at the balance, 35,581. So this is accurate up here. Now, this particular account started the month, or ended last month, with 35,472 and ended the month at 35,831. So let's do a little bit of math. 35,831 is what we ended with, and we started with 35,472. So it made about $359. What's the percent on that? 35,472. About 1%. So we did about 1% for the Premier Level 5, and we didn't see maybe a 1% drawdown, not any significant drawdowns. So for the Premier Level 5 for May of 2022, close to break even, but about a 1% return. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market types. And looking back, since I started trading it live on April 8th, 2022, the Premier Level 5 is up 19.3%, and this includes paying commissions. And it's had an approximate max drawdown of around 5%, while the S&P 500 is only up 2.28% from that time, with a max drawdown of 22%. This is an outperformance of over 17% with only 1/4 the drawdown. Now that's superior risk-adjusted returns. Remember, outperformance isn't just about achieving a high percentage of returns. It's also about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. Now, there are two ways to unlock the secrets to the Premier Level 5 trade system. Number one, the alerts program, which involves my guidance to navigate through the trade. However, certain aspects of the trade plan will not be disclosed. And number two, the Premier Level 5 Mastermind program, where I teach every detail until you can trade it on your own. And I'm preparing to launch the Premier Level 5 Mastermind on July 6th, here in about a month. And I'm taking on 10 clients, and I've already filled the 7 spots, so there's only 3 left. Learn to trade this system on your own. What would it be like to finally be a profitable trader on your own? The system requires only a small time commitment of about 15 to 30 minutes a week to manage the entire portfolio. The minimum recommended capital is about $30,000, and the trade requires span margin. So don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your trading game. See the links in the description for option number 1 and number 2 on the Premier Level 5. Next, I'll get into the fourth account, the Synthetic Dragon. And if you've been on my channel since 2019, you've watched me trade this system starting with $110,000 and turn it into $203,000. And then I moved the money into my asset management account. But now I brought the trade back to my channel as of April 1st of 2023, and I started the account with $200,000. This trade is similar to the Premier Level 5, but it's a little more conservative, and I trade this system with a higher amount of capital. This is where I have the majority of my personal net worth. This system is for people with the ability to use portfolio margin, which usually means they have over $100,000 to invest. Now here are the results for the Synthetic Dragon for May 2023. Okay, looking at the Synthetic Dragon for the month of May 2023, we started here, or we ended last month on the 28th, you can see, with 201,285. And what did we come down to? 199,621, so maybe a 1% drawdown at most. And we ended here at 201,367. So let's do a little bit of math. Pretty much break even, but we'll do the math anyways. 201,367 minus 201,285. So we made like $82 basically, broke even here. Divide that by 201,285. Yeah. And you can see it just doesn't even want to calculate the number. I mean, it's just zero, right? 0%. Basically broke even. So for the month of May 2023, the Synthetic Dragon had about a 1% drawdown, then ended at break even. So there you have it for the Synthetic Dragon for May of 2023. Managing a portfolio for the Synthetic Dragon trade requires only a modest time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes a week. The trade demands span or portfolio margin and a minimum recommended capital of $100,000. Now, I provide visibility into the results of this trade by sharing my P&L, and I'm presently conducting a mastermind session where I reveal all the aspects and allowing individuals to trade it on their own. And I'm considering starting another mastermind for the Synthetic Dragon in the future, but there's no certain plans at this time. For those with smaller accounts, I offer two options: the Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free, or the Earnings Edge Alerts, which is designed with some risk and high reward. If you're interested in learning how I trade options and aspire to eventually upgrade to the Premier Level 5 system, I recommend enrolling in my 5-step options trading success program. Check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5 alerts, the Earnings Edge alerts, and the 5-step program. I briefly mentioned my mastermind, and if you're interested in trading beside me in a small group with weekly Zoom meetings, I'm teaching everything you need to know to trade a proven successful Level 5 trade system independently. See the link in the description for information on my upcoming mastermind for the Premier Level 5 that only has 3 spots left.